your attitude, not your aptitude, will determine your altitude.
Hi. So 15 days. Okay, let's read today's question. Tab A can fill up a tank in 4 minutes. Tab B can fill up the same tank in 6 minutes. How long will it take for both tabs to fill up the tank? So this is a rate question. We need to find out in 1 minute. Okay, what about the 1 minute? We need to find out tab A. Since they tell us that tab A can fill up the tank in 4 minutes, means that in 1 minute, tab A can fill up 1/4 of the tank. Okay, so likewise for tab B, we need to do the 1 minute. We need to find out what fraction can tab B fill in 1 minute. What fraction of the tank, all right? So since tab B can fill up the tank in 6 minutes, means in 1 minute he can fill up 1/6 of the tank. The question wants us to find out both tabs together, okay, how long they will take to fill up the tank. So we need to find out what's A plus B. We combine the powers together, okay, combine A and B. 1/4 plus 1/6. In 1 minute, they fill up 5/12 of the tank. Okay, so 5/12 of the tank takes them 1 minute. So we need to find out what's 1/12 of the tank. They take 1/5 minute. So we want them to fill up the tank, right, which is the whole thing. And in this case, the whole is 12 out of 12. So we simply need to take 1/5 times 12. Okay, we get 12 out of 5. And if we change it to a mixed number, that is 2 and 2/5 minutes. 2 and 2 out of 5. All right, so that's the end of this question. See you tomorrow.